Assalamualaikum and welcome to my video presentation. I am Hidayatullah from 2nd BCom. My register number is 6071. Today I am going to give a video presentation on cost accounting on the topic EOQ and stock levels. And I thanks our professor Dr. N.O. Amin sir for giving me this opportunity to give a video presentation. Let's start our presentation. Let's start our presentation on the topic EOQ and stock level. Meaning of EOQ. First we go to EOQ, then let's to go to stock levels. First EOQ. EOQ is economic order quantity. It is an order quantity of an inventory that minimizes both ordering and carrying cost. EOQ formula is root of 2AB by CS, where EOQ is equal to economic order quantity, A is annual consumption or usage, B buying cost per order, C cost per unit, S storage and carrying cost percentage. And this is the problem. Annual usage 6000 units, material per unit 20, cost of placing and receiving one order 60, annual carrying cost of unit 10% of inventory value. Let's first put the formula of EOQ, root of 2AB by CS. Root of 2 into 6000 annual usage into B is cost of placing and receiving one order, by C is cost of material per unit into S is annual carrying cost of one unit, it's 10%. Let's give that is root of 72,000 by 2. We calculate, we get is equal to root of 3,60,000. When we root that 600 unit, and this is computation of stock level. We have finished EOQ and then we come to computation of stock level. First we should understand the meaning of stock level. The meaning, the quantity or number of goods or raw materials kept on the premises of a shop or business. Staff will be able to instantly check stock level, sell by dates and whether a product has been paid for. Let's go to the problem. Material is used as follows. Maximum usage in a month 600, minimum usage in a month 400, average usage in a month 450, lead time maximum 6 months, minimum 2 months, reorder quantity 1500, maximum reorder period for emergency purchases is 1 month. From the question we should calculate reorder level, maximum stock level, minimum stock level, average stock level, danger level. First we should go to reorder level. Reorder level formula is minimum usage into maximum reorder period. 600 into 6. 600 is minimum usage and into maximum reorder period is 6. And the answer is maximum stock level. This next second we go to maximum stock level, and the maximum stock level formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. 3600 reorder level answer plus reorder quantity 1500 minus 400 is minimum consumption into 2 is minimum reorder period. Then 5100 minus 800 is equal to 4300. We have got the answer for maximum stock level also. Let's go to minimum stock level. Minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Normal reorder period is 6 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 3600 is reorder level minus normal consumption is 450 into 4 is normal reorder period is equal to 3600 minus 1800 is 1800 units. Let's go to average stock level. Average stock level is maximum stock level plus minimum stock level by 2. 4300 plus 1800 by 2 is equal to 3050 units. Danger level. Average consumption. Danger level formula is average consumption into minimum reorder period for emergency purchases. Average consumption is 450 and minimum reorder period for emergency purchases is emergency purchases is 1 month. Then we put 1 is equal to 450 units. Thank you. Thank you friends for listening my video presentation, and I especially thank our professor Dr. N.U. Amin sir for giving this opportunity for doing this video presentation. And I hope all guys are safe and healthy. Thank you one and thank you all.